8 Health Benefits of Carpet Cleaning, updated 2022. 1. Carpet cleaning removes trapped pollutants. Dirty carpets can retain several sources of cockroach allergens, particle pollution, gas, dander, and dust. This might make toxic airborne gases adhere to them and get caught up in the fabric. These toxic gases can be released by walking across the carpet or daily activities such as vacuuming, which can make them greatly contaminate the air in your home. 2. Cleaning the carpets prevents mold. If you are not careful, the mold, which is a common allergen, can wreak havoc in your house. By removing these buildups, you will decrease the chances of falling ill. 3. Cleaning the carpet prevents the infestation of dust mites. Due to their size, these microscopic nasty critters are very hard to see. The sad thing is that they can really affect your health. 4. Improvement of the air quality. Do you know that you can use a vacuum cleaner to remove most contaminants from the surface of the carpet? Yes, it's true. When contaminants get deeply trapped into the carpet, you can find it hard to breathe. Those who have allergies and asthma can always breathe well after cleaning their carpets using professional services. 5. Children's health safety. Typically, children spend most of their time on the floors. The bad thing is that their immune system is not yet developed as yours. Whether it's childcare, your home, or school, as far as the health of the children is concerned, you need to regularly clean your carpets so as to keep your children in a healthy state. 6. Boost your mental health. Having a clean carpet is not only good for your body but your mind as well. Let's be honest, most people usually get stressed when they get into their home only to realize that their carpet is full of dust particles. This stress alone can greatly affect your mental health. 7. Removal of organic waste. Carpet cleaning services will use the right cleaning tools and techniques to remove organic waste such as skin cells, pet waste, vomit, blood, and urine. 8. Carpet cleaning help removes pet hair. If you have a pet such as a dog or a cat, their hair can easily get trapped in the inner fabrics of the carpet, which can make it unhealthy. Unfortunately, if left there, pet hair can cause several breathing problems, especially if you are allergic to them. Due to this, you need to get a professional carpet cleaning service.